Okay, so we're gonna start a seed outdoors, and here's some of the stuff we're gonna need. First, you're gonna need a fabric pot or a container of some sort. Here we have a Grassroots 30-gallon living soil fabric pot. This thing is awesome. Check out Grassroots. Their link is in the description with the code York River to save 10%. We've got some Coast of Maine seed starter mix. This is going to be very important to the process of starting a seed outdoors. And then we have our very trusty Coast of Maine Stonington blend along with a solo cup. So these are the materials I have for starting your seed outside. So now what we're going to do is get all these things together and get this process started. Get your fabric pot, open that thing up. Next, you're going to want to get your soil. So in this case, we have some Coast of Maine. This bag's already kind of ripped a little bit, so go ahead, open this up. Just kind of get it in there. Again, 30-gallon pot from Grassroots, Coast of Maine, Stonington. All right. So you got your first in there. If there's any clumps, you can just run your hands between it. It's not a big deal. They'll work themselves out. But I always like to break up any clumps that are in it. Okay. Second bag of Stonington. Second bag of Stonington. Same thing. Kind of run your hands through it, get the clumps out best you can. Kind of work the sides of the bag. We'll get our third bag of Stonington. Now I knew that wasn't going to take a whole bag, so let's work this soil. Got some small clumps, no big deal. Work that. Now I'm going to show you the trick with the solo cup. I'm going to start burying that solo cup. A little bit more Stonington. Almost 3 full bags for this 30-gallon. All right. Now, remove your solo cup, and you've got a nice indent, you know, dead center. You can keep reforming it if you have to. So there you go. Dead center. Now, you're going to take the solo cup out. Fill that hole with some seed starter mix. You can see the contrast. You know exactly where you put that hole. You make your indent, and now we get the seed. Okay, so when I went to go edit the video, I realized the camera stopped filming when I went to go put the seed in. But here is the result of our special tomato plant we just planted. This is about 2 weeks in, so it's doing fine. It's doing fantastic. And this method works for me. Mileage may vary on this. A lot of people do different things, but what I do recommend is if you're going to use a quality potting soil, to be careful, because a lot of times it has slow release nitrogen, which can burn a seedling. So this is just one method to just do a one pot and done deal, but there are other ways to do it. But folks, that is it for today. Don't forget to visit our friends Grassroots Fabric Pots. Please check them out. Use code York River, save yourself 10% off. If you guys want to check out our website link as well, that will be in the description. along with my Facebook, Instagram, and email if you want to get in touch with me. But folks, that's it for today. I hope you all stay happy, healthy, and I will see you in another video.